important pollinators. Pollination is the transfer of pollen from one flower to another flower of the same species. Pollination results in the production of seeds which can eventually grow into new plants. Bees, butterflies, birds, bats, and lots of other animals are useful pollinators because they can help move pollen from one flower to another.
Hello, my name is Jack, and I'm here with
Gigi and Jenna. And today's activity is important pollinators. Draw 2 pictures of a big, simple flower on a piece of paper. Color the middle of the flowers using 2 different colors of chalk. The chalk represents pollen. Dab a cotton ball on the middle of one flower and then on the middle of the other. The cotton ball represents a bee. Dab the cotton ball back and forth a couple of times. Observe the cotton balls and flowers. What do you notice?
Well, they have different colors which mixes, so like hers would make light orange, and then mine could make purple if I dabbed it enough.
Thanks for watching.